In a world where design meets innovation, one trend reigns supreme: dark mode. But wait, this isn't just about following the crowd. It's about harnessing the power of darkness to transform your user experience. Welcome to the ultimate guide to dark mode design, where we unravel the secrets to crafting interfaces that captivate, engage, and leave a lasting impression. Buckle up, designers, because we're about to embark on a journey into the shadows of design excellence. Dark mode isn't just a trend, it's a design choice with real benefits. Let's start with the basics. Number 1. Use brand color as accent. One way to maintain brand consistency in dark mode is by using your brand color as an accent. This ensures that your brand identity remains strong across both light and dark modes. See how the brand color pops against the darker background? It adds a touch of familiarity for users while keeping the interface visually appealing. Number 2. Lower text and background contrast. In dark mode, it's crucial to lower the contrast between text and background to reduce eye strain. Opt for softer contrasts to create a more comfortable reading experience. Notice how the text blends more seamlessly into the background? This subtle adjustment enhances readability without sacrificing aesthetics. Number 3. Reduce color saturation. Another technique for designing an effective dark mode interface is to reduce color saturation. This creates a more muted color palette, which is easier on the eyes in low-light conditions. By toning down the colors, we create a visually balanced interface that remains vibrant without overwhelming the user. Number 4. Avoid shadows in dark mode. Shadows can be distracting in dark mode and disrupt the overall aesthetic. Avoid using shadows or opt for subtle variations to maintain a clean and modern look. Without shadows, the interface appears more sleek and streamlined, allowing the content to take center stage. Number 5. Allow users to switch between light and dark mode. Finally, it's essential to give users the option to switch between light and dark modes. This empowers them to choose the interface that best suits their preferences and environment. With just a simple toggle, users can seamlessly transition between light and dark modes, enhancing their overall experience. And there you have it: 5 essential tips for designing an effective dark mode interface. By using brand colors as accents, lowering text and background contrast, reducing color saturation, avoiding shadows, and providing a mode toggle, you can create a visually appealing and user-friendly experience for your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy designing!